Good morning, students.
Good morning, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Hope you all had a great weekend. So here we are back to you. Here we are back with the quite interesting session. Definitely more youthful, outdoor kind. A lot of creativity involved for preparing the presentation as far as the VCT activity is concerned. So we have with us our beloved student Varun Acharya. Varun, welcome to you. It's my privilege to introduce Varun to you all. Associated with Varun since his first year as his class advisor, had much exposure to various talents of Varun. Always being active, Varun is a very passionate dancer. He's known for his freestyle dancing, as well as having very much love for soft skills. Varun is much interested in the field of drawing. He is blessed with good writing skills. He is having a lot of interest in traveling and exploring new places. Being Mekki, currently Varun is studying in 7th semester mechanical engineering. He has come to you with a very different topic, that is Revaan racing. I am not very sure that everybody you are knowing about Revaan racing, which is all about go karting. So, apart from soft skills, Varun also have very much interest in studying, developing projects, a real-time model that is working, and outcome of that is he is a part of go karting or Revaan racing. So today we have with us Varun to continue with the presentation.
Let's start my session. So I'm here to give some insights about Team REEVAN Racing, which particularly focus on go-karting, which is a very exciting and fun project, which our college and there is a particular team for that. So we participate in competitions, national level competitions, and we have won some awards also. So it is a subsidiary of VCT Puttur SAE Indian Collegiate Club. So we come under that. So let me explain what SAE and what REEVAN Racing is. Does anybody know about SAE, and is there anybody who have an idea of what SAE is?
No.
No, so nobody have heard about it. I'm pretty sure. Even I was not
No.
aware of what SAE was in when I was in first year. So SAE is an international, aerospace industry which mainly focuses on different field. It may be aerospace, automotive, or commercial, or many fields. So it has a sub branch in different countries. So it has also a branch in India called SAE India, which focuses on competitions, and there is a specific field called Baja SAE, which focuses on go-karting and all this fun racing track event stuff. So they are very respected and very standardized event. So whenever you hear about any pro karting event all over the India, if they are collaborative with SAE, it's meant to be standard, because their standards are on the international level. So we read their rules and we read their standards. So how to build a go-kart, and how to which particular bolt or which design we should opt. So these are the standard maintained companies. So does anybody know about what go-karting is? Hello?
No.
Have you ever seen, or in TV or in YouTube or anywhere, have you ever come across this
Yes.
go-karting?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's in Adyar there is one go-karting track, right? Some might have been there, you know, to have some fun experience. So go-karting is a small vehicle, as you can see in the slide. which we build, which need a lot of team effort. Uh, we have to fabricate the vehicle, we have to design the vehicle, we have to design in softwares, we have to analyze, we have to put into some simulations and see um, the CG and all other stuff. So we build these kind of vehicles, racing vehicles, in our college itself, and we have set of rules for that. So we create a team of 25 members. We select which how many members should go to some different fields. Like we have like business plan, designing team. We make different set of teams where different peoples will be allotted. So according to that, we will work as a team. So this is what go-karting is. This is an event, racing event, which is conducted. So as I said, SAE of our college, SAE club. So we should have a membership in SAE club, because it is very useful regarding, because they are the standard keepers, right? So we need, if we have the membership of SAE, we will have their materials to study, and we will have their some seminars. They will Some experts will come and say, explain to us stuff like what is SAE, how should we approach, how should we create, or how should we make designs of go-kart. So if we SA membership is kind of, you can become, if you become an SA member, you can participate in go-kart competition. So it is kind of a rule book for us. So SA membership is available in our college. If you want to become a SA member, you can contact our SA lecturers, Deepak sir and Satish sir. So now let me come to what Team REEVAN Racing does. So Team REEVAN Racing is a specifically a branch where we are the team which we build go-kart and stuff. So it's been what 4 to 5 years that we've been participating in this go-karting event, and we've been very successful in that. We've been champions, we've been runners, and we had some excellent riders in our team. So whenever we go to the teams, they are very respectful towards us, because we were kind of champions for 2 to 3 years uh, in this field. So Revaan Racing has some very good respect in this pro karting event, because of our seniors, which I can say, which they created a foundation for us, which made us to participate in this kind of event easily, because they have made a foundation for us. So this is a go-kart which we have built in our college. So to enter this event, you should have they will provide a rule book. So in that rule book, you should read properly from start to the end, because they will give some specifications. They will only provide engine. They will only provide the fabrication materials. They will provide particular grade of the material also. So what we should do, we should read the rule book, and we should make a team out of it, like how many members we need for the fabrication, design and stuff, and we should start building this project. So as we think it's very cute looking vehicles, but it's very hard to make. We have spent day and night to build these vehicles, until 5 a.m. in the morning, no sleeps, sleepless nights, many sleepless nights. So it was a very fun experience though. But this is a product that we build in our college. See, this is the first stage of initial sketching that we do in the cardboard, where we, put some chalk pieces and we mark the dimensions, and we, according to the rule book, and we'll see, okay, this is how we want to build the vehicle this year, and our seniors will guide through this, and our seniors guided. So this year we will be guiding you guys. So we will seniors guided us to make this dimension, and they said, okay, this is the finalized sketch. Okay, we will go through this. This initial sketch has been designed already. So we have designed the sketch in the software itself, like SolidWorks, CAD softwares. So then we will make it a practical sketch in the cardboard, so that we can fabricate the material. As you can see in the right side of the picture there, uh, a guys are fabricating, cutting the pieces. So this is a stage 2 of the fabrication, where you can see it is like 25-30% built. Uh, we can say the space for the engine, the tires have been fit, and the steering is also have been fit. This is not an easy job. Okay, this is a very tough job because the dimensions has to be right. If a single centimeter or single or something is going wrong, so in the competition they will ask us to. There is a phase called testing phase. So in the testing phase, they will check all the specifications, all the dimensions and stuff. So if we lack in any one of the dimensions, they will reject. Right away, they will reject. Imagine we will spend around 2 to 3 months planning, designing, and making this vehicle. And when you go there in the first stage itself, they will reject right away. And we will start we had we will had a lot of efforts making this, and in the first day itself they will say this is not okay for us, you can't participate in the competition. So that is the very hardest part to pass in that phase, because if you miss in any single dimension you will lose to participate in that competition. So as in the right side you can see we have painted a little bit, and we have placed the engine and stuff. So this is the first team of go-karting. This is called Team Pegasus. They are we can say the founders of Team REEVAN Racing. So these are the foundation barriers. So this is the first go-kart they have built, uh, which they have participated, and they've got like 16th 17th place in the first participation itself. So which was a very good, because it's a national event. So many colleges, engineering colleges, come and participate. And there are a lot of competition, because some people would have participated in the earlier stages itself. So this is the first time seniors went. We were the champions. So from 16th place to becoming a champion was not easy, as our seniors have. You can see our seniors. Uh, these are the 25 members of team which have spent their day and nights to build this go-kart vehicle, and they've become champions, which was very proud moment for us, because we knew like how our seniors were building our vehicles, and we were seeing they were like, it was very difficult to build the go-kart vehicles, and they've achieved it, because the first time they went, they were like 16 17th place, and the second time they went, they were the champions. So it was very proud moment for us. So you can see national level, they became champions, and they won 3 more awards, which was build quality and autocross and clean pit award. So build quality is in the sense they will have a set of rules for build quality. They will come and stand in your go kart. They will come and try to destroy your go kart. So it should withstand all those external efforts they put into the go kart. So the build quality is one of the autocross, in the sense as you have tested for driving license, right? Has anybody already got driving license? Hello?
No,
No? Okay, fine.
no,
So nobody has an idea of what driving
no.
test is. So you should go in a 8 kind of way, right? There will be 8 kind of a road. You should go in that. So autocross is such an event where there will be a different set of roads, and you have to pass through that. It's very difficult. uh, Thankfully we had a best rider called Charan, one of the excellent and amazing driver, where you know the second time we went, they were fans of Charan. They were like many people watching and taking video of Charan, and it was very very cherishing to watch, because we never thought we would be this exciting, where a rider has been people are coming and watching and asking him, hey, how do you drive, and they're asking suggestions. It was very very proud moment for us. And we've got the for the clean pit for implementing 5S technology. So clean pit is an area where they will come to your pit, and they will check how you have maintained the pit. So it's very hard, because it's very dusty and stuff. We should make a separate team for us for that. And we did. And we did call a 5S team, and we implemented 5S technology. And yes, we were successful in that. We even got award for that. So this is a third time we went. We were like, runners of the. This is the time. Even I was also in the team, so we were the runners of this team. And the guy in the middle in the black shirt, he's called Shamit, and he was the senior who guided us throughout. And Deepak sir and Satish sir were also there, who guided us throughout this journey. And it was a very wonderful experience, because instead of having a uh, looking to the YouTube or some digital experience, I think the practical experience is much more good, comparing to that. Because practically, if you involve with the team, you will understand the team effort, you will understand the team. And it's a different experience, to be honest. See, this is the event places where, this is the first picture you show, that as I mentioned earlier, the testing phase. This is a very hard. We were nervous. Like, we thought, okay, this we might not get selected. We thought, okay, this is not gonna happen this year. We don't know, but still we were confident about, okay, we will be successful in this one. And yes, we passed the testing. And there are a lot of factors in implementing the dimensions and stuff, because it's not very easy to cut the pieces in a particular perfect dimensions. Because if we miss it a single phase, and they will kick out us from this event. And the second picture, as you see in the top right, is a 5S, the cleanest pit that we have got. um, to be honest, this was the cleanest pit among all the pit that the team have with there. You can see the footprints. We were not able to put shoes inside that, because our team member were like, no, we should maintain the cleanliness in the whole thing. So this was the thing. And the third picture is of rider Charan. um, as I said, amazing, excellent rider. So this was our team. A team consists of a captain who will lead the team, and vice captain who will look after all the other branches of the team. And the design team is run by Ranjan, and he was the head of the design team, and he was very good in that. So we were glad that we had Ranjan in our team. And fabrication is led by Pratik R is an excellent fabricator. As you can see, as I've seen, he while we were in the competition, we had some difficulties on the dimensions and stuff. This guy came and implemented his ideas and make it right in what, of 10 to 15 minutes. So you should have an instant an ideas and instant we should make it right. And innovations were done by Nitin R. And Nitin R is an so innovation is done by Saurav. So Saurav, innovation in the sense, you have to have the, you should start the vehicle through Bluetooth. You should start the vehicle through your mobile phone. You should start the vehicle through, if you call the go-kart vehicle, it will automatically start. So they will check all these things. And we were very successful in that. Innovations was also very good. And the marketing was done by Rohan, Satish, and so marketing people, they have to find the funds to make this vehicle. Because the go-karting experience is not just building a vehicle. It is about collecting the funds, building the vehicle, and winning the race. So collecting funds is not an easy task. You should imagine going to somebody and asking money. It's not that easy task. But we should go and we should market our in the sense, we should say that, okay, we are building a product, we're building a go-kart, we're going to the competition, and we will be winners. So this has to be done by the marketing team, and the manager which maintains all the aspects of the team. And the rider is, as I said, Charan, and co-rider was Swara, and inspections was done by Ram Prakash, where he inspected all the parts of the vehicle where it has to be right, where it shouldn't be like, okay, something is okay, the petrol is not leaking, petrol is not going in a particular speed, particular pressure, it's fine. No, it's not. It will be a very big disaster while we being in the race. So this was the award which were won by a Charan, our main rider. And these are the awards and championship that we have got. Uh, to be honest, this is the one of the best experience that I ever had. because I never thought, going to a go-karting event would be this memorable. Because I've learned a lot in this event, because it's because of the practical implementations, and because of the design or whatever, we will know what are the things which are outside of this example of syllabus, of a normal routine and stuff. So I was very blessed to be a part of this team. I request, if I think it's only available for exclusively for mechanical students. So if any mechanical students are interested, I just tell them, please, 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 join this and have a good experience this year. I think next year there will be some competitions going on, because the COVID is, the cases are decreasing. So I hope there is a competition next year. Uh, and I request all the students who are, you know a mechanical student, to join this pro karting event next year. So really, really sorry for the inconvenience that happened in the first 10 to 15 minutes. It was very unfortunate for me, because my laptop didn't, collaborated with me in a proper way. So I'm really sorry for that. And I really thank the VCT Connect coordinators, and my HODs and lecturers, and all the teachers who has made this VCT Connect a successful event. I'm really glad I was part of this event, and I really thank you for this. Thank you, ma'am.
Varun?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Varun, would you please give the names of the vehicle? One was Pegasus.
Yeah, one was Pegasus and Stallion 4.0.
Yeah, Stallion was. Right.
Yes, this was Stallion 4.0.
Oh.
So this was a pit number 16. So yeah. Is there any questions for anybody to ask about go-karting? Hello?
No. No.
No. Okay. I think then I'm I was very clear. Thank you for that. Yeah. I'm
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Varun. Thanks a lot.
yes,
I
ma'am.
hope
Thank you.
there are no questions from the students. Anything to ask?
Hello?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No.
fine then. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Varun. You have
Thank you, ma'am.
introduced our students to the world of go-karting and Revaan racing. By
Yes.
now, many may be eager to take SA membership also, if I'm not wrong.
Hope so. Yeah. I,
Yeah,
I I hope some people are very eager to join this.
yeah,
And
definitely.
yeah, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am,
It's
in the
okay,
first.
Baba. It happens. It's okay.
Yes.
Stage by stage, how much efforts you have put and how many sleepless nights you have spent, you have given a clear picture of all this. Later, you have described that how the legacy of go-karting, generations by generations, you have carried on, right from Pegasus to Stallion. Maybe
Yes.
when you gave this presentation, you have once again cherished all those beautiful moments. Actually, when you narrated all these stages, I felt as if I was a member of your team and I was feeling the tension when when you were describing all those. Even though it was a cherishable moment, but at that time maybe you all were stressed and lot of pressure were there on you people. Anyhow, you did it. It was indeed a marvelous presentation. Thanks a lot, Varun. Wishing you many more successes in life. God bless. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay. Students, I think today's session you definitely liked. And with this, we came to the end of this session today with one more presentation and few more problems. Let us meet tomorrow at the same time, 10 o'clock with the same link. Thank you all. Let us end the session here. Have a nice day.